In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices into Xero seamlessly. If you're managing your business finances, Xero is an excellent tool for keeping everything organized. It's all about efficiency and accuracy when handling invoices. And today, we're going to make this process as smooth as possible. To get started, open up your web browser and log into your Xero account. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, you need to navigate to the Sales tab. You'll find this at the top of your screen. Click on Sales, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, go ahead and select Invoices. Now this is where the magic happens. In the Invoices section, you'll see various options related to managing invoices, including the one we're focusing on today, importing them efficiently. On the Invoices page, you'll notice an Import button. It's usually located at the top right, next to options like Add and Export. Clicking the Import button will kick off the process of bringing your data seamlessly into Xero. One of the keys to success when importing data is ensuring that everything is laid out just right. This is where downloading the CSV template file comes into play. Xero provides this template to ensure that your data is formatted correctly before you upload it. Simply click on the option to download the CSV template file. Opening this file, you'll find that it contains all the necessary column headings already set up for you. This is an incredibly helpful resource because these headings serve as a guide for what information Xero expects in each column. By using this template, you can avoid one of the most common issues businesses face when importing data: misaligned columns or incorrect data formatting. This proactive step makes the entire process run more smoothly and ensures that your information uploads correctly the first time around. As you fill out the template, pay attention to details like invoice numbers, dates, and client information, to name just a few. Double-checking your entries helps maintain accuracy and saves time on corrections later. Once you're done with the template, save your progress and be sure to note where it's saved on your computer to easily locate it for the next part of the import process. And with that, you're on your way to efficiently managing invoices in Xero. Remember, by following these steps, you're maximizing the utility of Xero's features, ensuring that your invoicing processes are streamlined and accurate. Keeping your financial data organized has never been easier, and with practice, this will become a part of your regular routine. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips on mastering Xero and other business tools.